Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to turn your photo to cartoon effect in Canva. So for this design I am using YouTube thumbnail as my canvas because I want to show you the before and after effect of using this app and to convert it into a good cartoon version or a comic version, and we will share with you all the steps. So I will go to elements here, and as you can see I will be using this image, and you can find it by searching the keyword young men model. Okay, so this picture I have chosen because it has already a removed background, and if you want to do your own image or any other image, so you can always just remove the background and work on it, because the effect works perfectly on a white background or a transparent background. Okay, so I will just bring it here. Okay, and to mark the half part I will bring it to 640. It is 1280 cross 720. Okay, so I will just duplicate it, bring it right here. Okay, so this one is done. Let's come to the apps. Okay, so in apps I will search here cartoonify. Okay, so I will choose this one. So after choosing the image, I will click on cartoonify and replace. So the cartoon version of this is done here, and now as you can see we are getting total credit of 5 credits per day. I have previously used 2 and now I have used 1, so more 2 credits left for today. Okay, so now it is looking good, but the main thing is the background is missing or the works are missing. So let's work on the background. Okay, and another thing, you can see that if you click cartoonify and replace, every time it brings a different type of image. Okay, so let's duplicate it and show it to you. So as you can see, now it brought a different type of image than the previous one. So let's show you how to change the background and how to make a more realistic one. So for doing that, I will just come to the sidebar here. I will use this background, which is, as you can see, it's a yellow comic background and it is free to use. Okay, so I am using it as it is free to use for Canva Pro, and if you don't have the Canva Pro license, you can just get it from a third party website, this type of comic backgrounds, and use it. Okay, so I am using this. I'll bring it in the canvas. Let's middle it and let's send to back. Okay, so this is the middle part, and now let's crop from the left and from the right. Okay, so it is middle, but as you can see, after the cartoonify effect, it comes with a white background, not with a transparent background like this one. Okay, so it is a transparent background, but after the cartoonify option, it is not coming with a transparent background. So I have to work one step again which is BG remover or the background remover. So the background is removed, but let's make it more realistic by giving it a proper shadow. But for making the shadow, I will not use the shadow part which is available here. In this one, I will not use that, but instead I will follow a different path, which is I will duplicate the image, and after doing that, I will go to adjust, and by keeping it the settings to whole image, I will just decrease the brightness, increase the contrast, work on the highlights, decrease the highlights, and increase the shadows. Okay, decrease the decrease the whites and increase the blacks. So this one is done, and let's work on the saturation to make it a black and white. Okay, so this one is done. So after that, let's work on the transparency part. So this one looks good. Let's make it to 55. Okay, so this one looks good. Now let's click on layer and send backward. So as you can see, it's ready, and you can just make it more realistic with the shadow, and you can work on the transparency a bit, like 40, and now the picture is ready. So you can see the before and after image, and it looks absolutely amazing for you, and you can just make the same by following this tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.